Good morning, students. This is Singh sir. Welcomes you to our favorite YouTube channel. In this video, we shall discuss the grammar section, Standard 3, English, Term 1. Polypath book. So students, the first chapter in your English grammar, that is ordinal numbers. What are the ordinal numbers? The figure, it is read. It is read as words. The figure which is read by words is called ordinal numbers or ordinals. And one thing is that the first three figures, 1, 2 and 3. 1 is read as first, 2 is read as second and 3 is read as third. All these numbers take except the three numbers 1, 2 and 3, then all the figures are read as TH. 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, etc. and etc. So, after 20, then comes 21, and 21 is read as 21st. Likewise, then comes 22. 22 is read as 22nd. Then comes 23 and 23 is read as 23rd. After that, all the figures are read as TH. 24th, 25th, 26th, etc. and etc. How to use? 1 is read as first, 2 is read as second, 3 is read as third, 4 is read as fourth, then 5 is read as fifth, 6 is read as sixth, 7 is read as seventh, then 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th and Then comes 20. 20 is read as 20th. TWENTIETH. 20th. Then comes 21. Just I told you. 21 is read as 21st. Then 22 is read as 22nd. 23 is read as 23rd. How we use these numbers? We use these numbers when we want to show the order of things. What is that? What is the order of things? Suppose Ram sits second bench in the class. It is read as second, not two. It is read as second. Then somebody sits in 4 number seat. That is read as fourth seat. What? Fourth seat. We use these numbers when we talk about dates, when we write letters, applications. Then suppose 2nd June, we say the 2nd of June. Suppose 29th December, we say the 29th of December. So here is the end of the ordinal numbers. Let us solve the exercise. Let us solve the exercise. Write these numbers in words. On the left side of the book, the figures are given. Having seen the figures, we should write them in words. We should write the figures in words. 34th, first question. 34th. 30, THIRTY, 30 hyphen FOQRTH. 34th. 11th. 32 मतलब 32nd. 16 means 16th. 53 उसका मतलब 53rd. Then comes 30. इसे हम लिखना है 30th. Then comes 18. We should write 18th. Then comes 70. We should write 70th. Then comes 61. We should write 60-first. Then comes 56. We should write 50-6th. Then 17th. 74. 70-FOURTH, fourth. 70-4th. Then 23. We should write 20-3rd. 20-3rd. Then comes 90. 90th. 99 is written in words 90 hyphen 9. Then comes 15. You should write 15. Then next question. Look at the order of the English alphabet. Here is the first line for you. It has been written from A to Z, and below the line the above said numbers are characterized. Suppose A stands for 1, like that. B stands for 2. The English alphabet. Here is your question. Look at the order of the English alphabet. The alphabetical order has been given in the first line, and below the first line these alphabetical letters are numbered. They are numbered accordingly. A for 1, B for 2, C for 3, D for 4, E for 5, F for 6, G for 7, H for 8, I for 9, J for 10. Like this, Z stands for 26. So we know there are 26 alphabets are there in English. All these alphabets are numbered one by one after another. So there are 26 letters, and they have been numbered in figures like this. Below, here is an instruction for you. Work with your partner. Ask each other questions as given below. Number 1. Which is the third letter of the alphabet? Which is the third letter of alphabet? So students, A stands for 1, B stands for 2, and C stands for 3. So C is third letter of English alphabet. Which is the 10th letter of the alphabet? J. J is the 10th letter of the alphabet. Which is the 4th letter of the alphabet? A, B, C, D. So D is A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. 4th letter. So D is the 4th letter of English alphabet. Which is the 16th letter of the alphabet? P. P is the 16th letter of the alphabet. Which is the 20th letter of the alphabet? T. T stands for 20. T is the 20th letter of English alphabet. Then which is the 13th letter of the alphabet? M. M is the 13th letter of the English alphabet. Then last question. Which is the 21st letter of the alphabet? U. U is 21st first letter of English alphabet. So students, let us wind up the class, and this is the end of the class. In my next class, we shall discuss second chapter, standard 3, second chapter, Holy Faith book, term 1, standard 3, the sentence and its kinds. So, here is the end of the class. Thank you.